Hello, sunshine artists. Today, we are taking on one of nature's happiest sights, the beautiful sunflower. This picture is going to be so bright and fun. Let's get started. Let's begin at the center. Fill in all the little sections marked with a 5 with bright orange. This is where all the seeds will grow. Then, we color the inner ring of petals with yellow for number 4. Our sunflower is already glowing. The sunflower has so many gorgeous petals. Look carefully for number 1, which is light blue. Let's move over to dark blue for number 2. And now purple for number 3 for the parts of the petals and background sections not marked yellow. This gives our flower a lovely, colorful pop art look. Every beautiful flower needs a strong stem. Find the sections marked with number 6 for light green. Now number 7 for dark green down by the bottom. Mixing these two greens gives the leaves and stem a nice, natural shading. What a stunning result! Our sunflower is fully colored and absolutely dazzling. It truly brightens up the whole page. Thank you for coloring with me today. If you enjoyed this colorful project, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next art adventure.